The sound of moving water calms the body for a reason. Its frequency flows in the exact same range as most of our body's resting state. It's low, soft, and steady. And it sends signals to our nervous system that we are safe. That is why we are able to take deep breaths and we find us relaxing, our muscles releasing, and our mind becoming quieter. This is how nature speaks to us, without words, just through rhythms, frequency. We are made of this same rhythm, of the flow, of the pulse, of the quiet movement. This stream is not asking for us to understand it. It is simply inviting us to remember what it feels like to be free flowing, just like it is being.